This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by the Swanson Group. Nice one-level Sudden Valley home with cedar siding and good sun exposure. Vaulted ceilings, gas fireplace, and nice open floor plan. Spacious garage with extra storage. Skylight and bathroom for lots of natural light. Easy access through Gate 9 and right across the street from Huckleberry Park and playground, as well as the mailboxes. Just a short walk to forest preserve trails. Primary suite with separate shower/toilet room and walk-in closet. Enjoy all the Sudden Valley amenities including 24/7 security, lake beaches, marina, golf course, trails, dog park, fitness center, tennis, and basketball courts, swimming pools and more. For more information, review the details below.